Hello, boys and girls. We are ready to do the last page in the week 1 math section. This is page 11, and up at the top you'll see lesson 1-10. So, for our first one, we need to write 6 different names in the 10 box. So we want to make the number 10. We want to show 6 different ways to do that. We'll do that one together in just a moment. Here we've got some math facts to solve. Some are normal math facts. Some they try to trick you by putting the answer first, but just you're going to do 4 plus 6. And then these two are missing number 1. So we want to think 3 plus what will give me 10? And what plus 9 will give me 10. So you want to think of what the missing number is that will give you the answer of 10. So think about those combinations of 10 that we learned. Down here, this is what your answer is. So they want to know, is 7 plus 3 plus 10? Is it minus 10 or is it equal to 10? Okay, so over here we have 4. Is 7 minus 3 plus 4, minus 4, or equal to 4? Then, now over here we have our equal sign. 7 plus 3 equals 10, 7 minus 3 equals 10, or 7 equals 10, equals 3 equals 10. Same thing down here. 7 blank 3 equals 4. So is it going to be 7 plus 3 equals 4, 7 minus 3 equals 4, or 7 equals 3 equals 4? So fill in those. 3 doubles facts, any 3 doubles you want to do. Then on number 5, use the number line to solve 5 plus 7. Show your work. Decide where you're going to start. I actually want to see you drawing the bumps for counting, to show your counting. Show me where you're going to start, draw the bumps to show me where you'll stop. We're going to come back up to number 1. And what we'll do, they want you to do 6 of them. We'll do 3 of them together, and then I'll have you do the other 3 on your own. So we just need to show a way to make 10. Well, I could write the word 10, the number word. So I will go ahead and do that now. 10. I could do it showing tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could do a math fact. So I will say that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So now I want you to see if you can come up with 3 other ways. You can draw pictures, you can do math facts, you could show base 10 blocks, you could show tally mark. Well, we already did the tally marks together. So try to come up with 3 other ways, and you can always do math facts. They can be addition or subtraction. So I would like you to go ahead, pause the video now to do your work, and then when we come back, we'll go over the answers. Okay, boys and girls, let's go over these answers. Just like on the last page, you might have different answers than I do, okay? So these were the 3 we did together. Now I did, for another 10, I did like a 10 frame with dots. I did another math fact, 7 plus 3 equals 10, and then I also thought, a dime is worth 10, so you can show it in coins as well. If we come over here, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 6 plus 4 equals 10 if we think of it backwards, 3 plus 7 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 equals 10. Down here, when I look at 10 and I did 7 plus 3, well, I know that 7 plus 3 is 10, so I knew that must have been equals there. Same here, I knew that 7 minus 3 equals 4, so that had to be an equals there. Now, I already had my equals 10 here, so I had to think, well, would 7 plus 3 equal 10 or 7 minus 3? And I know that it's 7 plus 3. Down here, I know that 7 minus 3 equals 4. Over here, you might have different doubles facts, okay? I just chose 2, 8, and 10. Those were the first 3 that popped into my mind, but you can do any of the doubles facts that we have practiced. You could even do 100 plus 100, because I know that you guys know what that is. And then down here, I started at number 5 on my number line, and I showed my jumps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I ended on 12. So I know that 12 is my answer. So here are your answers for the last math page in week 1. Awesome job, boys and girls.